Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. In this video, we will focus on how to demount a top-mounted Alfa Laval Agitator. How to demount a top-mounted agitator from the tank. Prepare and secure the worksite. Safety first. Be sure that the power is turned off. If the work poses the risk of falling, be sure to secure your safety line. Remove the nuts from the gear motor. Lift and remove the gear motor. Remove the guards from the lantern. Remove the nuts from the welding flange. Remove the nuts from the lantern. Leave two nuts in place diagonally across from each other. Remove the prevent valve. Mount the retainer bolt in the hole of the prevent valve to lock the shaft into place. Turn the shaft until the holes align. Then insert the retainer bolt into the holes and tighten the bolt with your hand. Loosen the shaft bolt, but don't remove it. Dismantle the backplate by loosening both screws on the shaft retainer. Secure a lifting plate with an eye bolt or similar object across the bearing frame. Attach a lifting device and lift the agitator. Make sure your lifting gear is approved and sized to lift the specific weight at hand. Mount the Alfa Laval shaft retainer tool to secure the shaft by tightening both screws equally on the shaft retainer tool. Make sure the tool is leveled horizontally. Lower the agitator slowly. Now tighten the screws on the shaft retainer tool until the disc springs are fully compressed. This ensures that the shaft doesn't slide in the Alfa Laval shaft retainer. Remove the lifting plate. Remove the shaft bolt. Remove the spider and the coupling. Mount the shaft dismantling bolt to loosen the shaft from the bearing frame. Remove the shaft dismantling bolt. Secure the lifting plate across the bearing frame. Remove the last two nuts in the lantern. Lift the bearing frame and the lantern above the shaft. Remove the O-rings and the oil trap ring. Remove the flange. You now have access to the seal arrangements. To demount the Alfa Laval Agitator as shown, these tools are required. Always remember to read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure that you cover all of the maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. Thank you for watching.